Do you need riding gear and accessories? We have them. Leathers, helmets, chrome, gloves, boots, high-performance parts, and much more are right here at Cyclehouse. Remember to always ride smartly and safely. The across-the-board experience at Cyclehouse enables our customers to feel the performance that has long been a tradition. Cyclehouse offers a wide range of services to set your bike apart from the rest. Our service techs specialize in engine rebuilds and performance enhancements on all brands, including Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Harley-Davidson, KTM, and Polaris.